I was talking to a young man who was 44 years old, and he was telling me how he really wanted to go swimming. But because he had sickle cell, he had never been able to go swimming because the certain change in his body temperature could send him into crisis. Infants receive treatment by morphine. It's really a devastating thing. I've been with the Sickle Cell Foundation of Palm Beach County and Treasure Coast for 6 years now, but the foundation has actually served the community for over 40 years.
Each year we take young people to a camp. More vehicles would make our job a lot easier.
They were in the market of looking for transportation. So I said, wow, how ideal would this be that this wonderful gift would be able to go to an organization that has such a far reach.
We got the car from 1-800 Charity Cars. We have the president of the Sickle Cell Foundation coming down here. We have the pastor who actually put us together. It's more of a celebration. We're giving them this vehicle that they'll be able to use in any way they see fit for their organization.
We're fortunate to have Midas recognize us and consider us to be a part of this community initiative.
If you had seen this when we first got it, you would say, yes, what a difference it is now.
It almost looks like a new vehicle.
It's new.
It's new! It's new!
This car is amazing. When I first saw the door slide open, my breath was taken away.
The keys to your new vehicle.
I'm happy to be able to present this vehicle to our families and to our children.
When we run across partners like you, that helps us tremendously to be able to provide that service. So thank you on behalf of all the children and adults who suffer from this terrible disease.
It's a great pairing, it's a great organization, it's a terrific way to showcase what we're all about and benefit the community at the same time.
A lot of times people just hit a speed bump in the road, but they are striving to get ahead in life. When you do provide these folks with transportation, it opens up plenty of doors that they otherwise wouldn't have been able to open before.
I am delighted that we've received this and that we were considered for this by Midas.
Yeah, it's going to make a big difference. They can't wait to serve their clients. Let's go. Okay, we got you.
One of our first trips is we're going to do something that they can really enjoy, and this vehicle will absolutely help us to serve more people.